Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
How to change Excel chart sections. You have four main ways of working with chart elements. You have the format task pane. The easiest way, just double click anywhere within the chart, and that's format area. The icons, this plus number here, you can manipulate your chart elements here. You can go up to the ribbon. We can manipulate data here. We can also right click and use the mini toolbar. Additionally, you select anywhere in the chart, go up to current selection, hit format section, and you're going to get format chart area. Click anywhere in the chart, hit Control 1, format access. When you engage, press any part or activate anywhere in your chart, when you click within the chart, you're going to get this three indicators to the right. First indicator is the chart elements. It uses this tool to hide or display specific elements in the chart. Note that each item can be expanded to show additional options. To expand an item in the chart elements list, hover your mouse over the item and click the arrow that appears. We have this arrow. We have more options, and then it'll take us to the format options. I pointed this out to you before. Chart styles, use this icon to select from pre-built chart styles or change the color scheme of the chart. Chart filters, use this icon to hide or display data series and specific points in a data series, or hide and display categories. Some chart types do not display the chart filters button. For example, the pie chart probably won't show this filter. Let's say you want to change the colors. You can do this going up and using the ribbon. Use Format, Shape Styles, Shape Fill, go to Format, Shape Styles. In here, you have a display. But if you go down, use the down arrow, you can experiment here. Change the look of your chart, quick and easy. You want to change the outline. As I've showed before, go Format, Shape Styles, Shape Outline. Here we have Shape Styles in the Format section. Shape Outline, go down to the weights and see the weight of the borders. You can click here. I don't think it'll have any effect. The grids, you can change the grids here. If you want to change the shape effects, go in here, see some shading here, shadow options, and this will take you over back to the Format section. Go back to the shade effects. Say you want a glow, soft edges, a bevel. Can't use 3D in some instances. So we have a shadow, we have an outer shadow, an inner shadow, a perspective. You can go on and on and on and on. In terms of changing colors, you have another option. You can go to Home, Font, Font Color. Well, let's go to Home, and here's our fonts. We have a foreground and a background. I like this area, and you can just range across, roam around, you can see what it does. Go to the other color, highlight this, it changes the text. Here, it changes the background. Let's say you're used to always working within the mini toolbar. There's a lot of flexibility using the mini toolbar. Depending on what areas you click. For example, you just click here and you hit your right mouse. You can add minor grid lines. You change format major grid lines, change the format axes, change the font. If you move away from that highlighted area, click another area, right click your mouse, you can change the font, change the chart type, change as a template. You can move the chart from here. You select data, format chart area where the bar over here is going to show up. You can click a specific data set, right click. You're going to have other options. Go down here to this legend. Change chart type, select data, format legend. A lot of flexibility. You can go up here, fill, outline, legend. You can see the different options. This is your current selection. Go here where it says legend. This is the same as current selection. So you're going to see, if you click down here, you're going to see the same information. So if you want to hit plot area, you're going to go to plot area. If you want to go to chart area, you have the entire chart. If you want to pinpoint this down to net income, you could see same flexibility using the quick access or the quick toolbar as opposed to going up to the ribbon.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.